You know how every year, we get a new Pixel watch that looks pretty much the same, but with just enough changes to keep things interesting? Well, the Pixel Watch 4 seems to be following that exact pattern. At first glance, it's still rocking the signature round face with that smooth, curved display that's become kind of iconic for the Pixel Watch lineup. It's not dramatically slimmer or anything like that, but there's something about its slightly chunky profile that works. It doesn't feel bulky or awkward, more like a deliberate design choice. You wear it and it feels solid, like it belongs there. Not like one of those fitness trackers you forget to take off before heading out. As for sizing, there's no confirmed information yet on whether we'll get two size options again, like 41mm and 45mm. But based on previous trends, that's definitely a possibility. The leaked model shown is black, but let's be honest, it's Google. They love playing with colors and finishes, so we can probably expect a few sleek metal versions when the watch is officially revealed. Now here's where things start to get a little more interesting. According to the latest leaks, the Pixel Watch 4 might have a thinner bezel around the display. And honestly, that's a pretty big win. A slimmer bezel means more screen space, and let's face it, it just looks better. But here's the twist. While the bezels might be shrinking, the watch itself could actually be getting thicker. Leaks suggest a thickness of around 14.3mm, which is definitely on the chunkier side. But if that extra thickness means we're getting a bigger battery and longer life between charges, most people probably won't mind the trade-off. Flip the watch over and things get even more intriguing. The back still shows a similar sensor layout, so it looks like we're getting all the usual health tracking features. But one big change. The charging pins, they're gone. Completely vanished. And that's kind of a big deal because Google only recently switched to those pins for charging. So now, everyone's wondering, are we finally getting proper wireless charging? Or is Google working on yet another proprietary charging system? One that still doesn't play nice with standard Qi chargers? And then there's this odd little detail near the speaker. Two small raised bumpers, one on each side. Nobody's quite sure what they're for yet. Some think they could be new buttons, while others suggest they might just be padding related to the watch bands. There's even speculation that they're tied to new health features, maybe something like ECG sensors. One of the bumpers is positioned in a slightly awkward spot, though, so if it is something interactive, hopefully it doesn't end up being annoying to use. So yeah, the Pixel Watch 4 isn't some wild redesign, but it's definitely not just a copy and paste update either. It's all about those small, thoughtful tweaks, thinner bezels, possibly better battery life, a new charging method, and some mysterious hardware additions that keep it just interesting enough to grab our attention. Now we'll just have to wait and see what surprises Google has in store when the official reveal finally drops.